Hey guys, it's Bodie with IPTVWire.com. In this quick video, I just want to let you know about a great free live TV or IPTV application that has now officially announced a free cloud DVR in addition to the free channels that it already has to offer. And this free live TV app that I'm going to talk about is Sling Freestream. Now, I'm surprised at how many people do not realize that Sling has a free live TV service offering called Freestream, where it has over 500 channels of news, movies, and popular shows that you can get completely for free without even being signed in or a member of Sling TV. So I'm on the Freestream page here, and I'll leave a link to this and everything else that I mentioned in the video description below. But as I'm scrolling through here, you'll notice some of the notable channels, some of the notable titles that you can get all with just Freestream. Here's some of the compatible devices, and I'm going to show you what Freestream looks like on my Amazon Fire Stick here after I go through just a few notes from this article. Now, this article comes from Cord Cutter News talking about the free cloud DVR. So today, this would have been January 23rd, Sling TV announced that its free ad-supported streaming service, Freestream, comes with 10 hours of free DVR storage. Now, DVR storage is often an upsell I've seen in many live TV services, so it's really cool to see that the free option now has 10 hours of free DVR storage. Here's the quote here from Sling saying, "We are giving our customers exactly what they are asking for. The new DVR feature for Sling Freestream is going to give subscribers even more choice and access. They can watch their favorite programming on their terms when it works for them." So that's just great to see that we see, a free live TV application like Freestream getting 10 hours of free DVR storage in addition to the channel offerings that they provide. So now I'm going to transition over to my Amazon Fire Stick and show you what Freestream looks like on my Fire Stick. And I'm also going to check out and see if I have access to this cloud DVR feature. So let's take a look. All right, guys, so I just plugged in my second generation Fire TV Stick 4K Max, and I'm going to install the Sling TV application from the Amazon App Store in order to access Freestream. So to do that, hover over Find, click Search, and I'm going to type in Sling. Now, this is the same application that what you would use if you are a subscriber to the Sling TV paid service. So I'm going to type in Sling, click Sling TV here on the bottom, and you'll see Sling under Apps and Games. I'm going to click that, and this will take you to the installation page for Sling TV. And I'm going to click Download. So just give it a few seconds for the Sling TV application to download on your Fire Stick. All right, after Sling TV has installed, I'm going to click the home button on my remote. And what I'm going to do first is actually put Sling towards the front of my apps list. I'm going to click this icon here next to the settings button, and this will launch your apps and channels. So if I scroll down, you'll see Sling all the way at the bottom. Click the options button on your remote, click move, and I'm going to move Sling towards the front of my apps list. So click OK to drop it. Click the home button and you will see Sling right here. So now I'm going to launch the Sling application on my Fire Stick. All right, and once you give Sling a few seconds to boot up here, you'll see an option right away that says try us today or sign in, as clearly they are prompting users to get their premium offering. But on the very bottom, you'll see Sling Freestream, free live TV and thousands of on-demand movies, no credit card required. So click this button here that says stream free. And now this is going to direct you to the Sling TV Freestream option. So just give it a few seconds here while this boots up. And right away, one of the benefits of Sling TV Freestream are these options for local channels and notable news channels. We have ABC News, some notable options here as I'm scrolling through, recommended option, must-see movies. So not only does this have live channels, it has hundreds of on-demand movies and TV shows. There are some premium packages here. It has some sports options, so that's really cool to see for a free live TV option. News and business, like I just talked about, mentioned, we have CBS News, ABC News, Live Now. As I scroll through, just a lot of notable titles and channels. Just scrolling through this for the first time. They also added some local channels. So for some of the bigger cities around the United States, you will be able to find some local options from some Fox News channels, it looks like here. So just some really great offerings from Sling TV Freestream. Now, for the cloud DVR, if I scroll to the left, I'm going to try to find this in real time with you guys. If I scroll to the left, there is an option for DVR here. So if I click that, I'm curious to see what this looks like. So it looks like you need to create a free account. So I'm glad I did this, as it says create an account and get 10 hours of DVR for free. With DVR, you can pause, rewind, fast forward, record multiple programs, access your recordings on all devices. So you do need to create a free account in order to use that 10 hours of free DVR that they just advertised. But if you don't want to do that, it's not a big deal. Just an additional perk of the 10 hours of free DVR that is offered by Sling TV Freestream. And on the left here, they do have a category for on-demand if you want to just sort through on-demand movies and TV shows. I might have to check this application out again more in depth, guys, as I'm very impressed to see some of these titles on Sling TV Freestream that I was not aware that this platform had access to all of this. So a very quality application that's 100% free. And then if you click guide here on the left too, it looks like they have a built-in electronic program guide, or EPG. As I'm scrolling through, they do as well. So that's another awesome feature that Sling TV Freestream has. And on the very top, it looks like you can filter by category: entertainment, sports, news and opinion, comedy, lifestyle, reality, true crime, documentaries, family, etc., etc. But that's it, guys. Again, this is Bodie with IPTV Wire. Just wanted to make a quick video letting you know about this new feature where you can add 10 hours of free cloud DVR in addition to the free live channels offered by Sling TV's Freestream. So guys, be sure to like this video. Leave me a comment below if you're a fan of Freestream or what other applications you guys use. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope you all have a great day.